Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Pandora here, and I'm back with a new video. Today we're going to go all in, all glam, and a little different. If you like that little extra, I think this tutorial is going to be for you. So that much rambling. If you want to see how I did it, then keep on watching. Oh, and before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, join the family, and let's learn together, explore together, and test together products, beauty products. So yeah, if you want to see how I did it, then keep on watching. To minimize my pores today, I am using Dr. Brand Pores No More, and as you can tell, it's almost empty. Well, it's empty. We're gonna try to squeeze everything that it's left in there. That's how much I love this stuff. And I'm going to apply it just in the area where my pores are more prominent and where I have like scars, because they will minimize the appearance of it. For the eyebrows today, I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pomade in a shade ash brown. For the foundation today, I'm using Stila Stay All Day Foundation in the shade Tone. Now let's get into the eyes. And today I am going to be using the Citi Limits palette from IBY Beauty. As my primer today, I'm going to be using, as always, my Too Faced concealer, multi-use sculpt concealer, and with my Sigma Cut Crease E62 I am going to apply it all over my eye. Drop Pass is the first color I'm gonna go into, packing it over there. I'm gonna go with a Sigma F63 and a VIP color and try to blend the edges. Very light, don't press too hard, just a little bit. With a Sigma F41, I am going in and blend it with Road Trip. Sigma EO4 brush, I'm going in with the Nightfall, and I'm going to highlight my brow bone. With the light show, I am going to intensify the crease even more. Now we're going to cut the crease, and for that I'm going to use my Sigma E62, and I'm gonna go in with the Too Faced concealer, and I'm just gonna pack it. And now we are gonna go in with a dense Party in the outer corner of the eye. And for the inner corner of the eye, I am going to go with the Nightfall. With my Sigma E30 and the Sigma Black Control, I'm gonna go all around. Intensify the crease. I'm gonna add glitter all over the edge. For the glitter, I'm using Bella Pierre in the shade Turquoise. For the eyeliner today, I'm using Kat Von D Tattoo Eyeliner. For the eyelashes today, I'm going to be using Too Faced. For the eyelashes today, I am going to go with Dramatic from Revive. I'm going to go finish the other eye, and I'll be right back. So now I'm going to conceal my face and set it with powder. And for the concealer today, I am using my favorite Born This Way multi-sculpt, multi-use sculpting and conceal. With my puff, I'm just going to press it in. For the under eye, I'm gonna go in with the Dance Party. I'm gonna first start with the Indigo Bird eyeliner pencil from Sigma or the waterline. Today I'm going to try something new. I don't know how safe this is for your eyes, so I would strongly suggest to do your research before using that, but I am going to use the highlights from BH Cosmetics in the shade Gnarly. It's a waterproof glitter veil, I believe. Now with a Sigma L04 and Control, a black eyeshadow from Sigma 2, I'm going to intensify the outer corner of the eye. I'm gonna add mascara. To contour my face today, I'm going to be using a Sigma Sculpt Palette, Highlight and Contour. To contour, I'm going to be using Soft Angled Contour Brush F23 from Sigma, and I'm going to dive into Throw Shade. For the blush today, I'm going to go in with a Sigma Blush palette. I love this palette because it literally covers, for the most part, all the skin tones, and you have all variety of beautiful blushes in here. So for today's look, I am going to go in with Mauve Mauve, and I'm gonna use the Sigma F37 for that. You gotta be really careful with these blushes because they are extremely pigmented. So you want to go in very light-handed. The highlight today, I'm gonna go in from the Sigma Sculpt palette, and the shade is Shine On, and I'm gonna use, I've been loving using the Sigma F03 for that. For my lipstick today, I'm gonna be using a Too Faced Matte-allic from the Melted series in the shade I Wanna Rock With You. And then I'm going to top it with a Melted Latex in the shade Hot Mess. And this is it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. If you did, give us a big like and comment down below which product was your favorite, or what makeup tutorial, or what would you like me to test next. I love you all, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye, lovies!